So welcome back, bro. Now today I want to talk about HTML entities. Now in HTML entities, some characters are reserved in HTML. What I'm trying to say is that, for example, now if you want to write something like less than or greater than sign, something like this. Now this is a tag. I don't know put now. If you printed this out, some browser might use this, might think that this is a tag. Rather, you are writing a lesser than sign. Don't forget about now. So now there are some entities, there are some stuff that let me say reserved characters in HTML must be replaced with character entities. I don't forget about now. So if I want to, maybe I want to differentiate this, I want to tell the browser that this is a less than sign. Now how do I do that? We use the HTML entities to write that. Now let us print out some HTML entities. Now for example, like some HTML entities, we have the less than, greater than, ampersand. We have double quote, like your pound, your cent. You know, in your system, you don't have a pound sign, you don't have a dollar sign. Okay, you have a dollar sign. So, but all these are called, you can use these entities to print them out. Now, how do I do that? Now, let us come here and write. Okay, let us say tag HTML entities. HTML entities. So I will come here and say, now I'm going to print out some HTML entities. Now how do I do that? Now all we're going to do is that we are to print that out is very much easier, very much easier. First of all, you write your ampersand, then write the entity name. Now let us write it out now. So we're going to say, for example, now let us print less than. Now to print out a less than sign, it's just very simple. First of all, you write your ampersand. So writing your ampersand, you say ampersand. This is ampersand. Let me get it now. So this is ampersand. Then you say alt or less than. So when you say less than means lt. Ampersand lt. I know it now. So this is going to print out a less than sign. So if I save it now, let us put this in on our live server. So it's going to open. Okay, so we'll scroll down. I know it now. So this is a less than sign. This can be printed out with a less than sign. And the LT. LT is an abbreviation of less than. So what if you want to print out something like greater than sign? Greater than sign, for example, now you can say ampersand. You must start with ampersand, then GT. Greater than. And as now I have great GT. So when you save this and run this and build this, so you will see this greater than, less than, greater than. So what if, for example, we write and, which is ampersand, it's not and but called ampersand. So all you just have to do is just write print that there for your ampersand, the amp ampersand. So okay, now sorry, okay, so amp. So you print out this out. So when you save it, you see your ampersand here. So I know it now. We have ampersand here, which is this basically, which is this. So now let us print out some more HTML entities. Now for example, I want to print out a cent. Now I want to print out more of them. So you say ampersand, then cent, cent. Okay, cent. Sorry, I'm printing out ampersand cent. So cent. So you maybe want to print out pound. So you say ampersand POU pound. I know it now. So maybe you want to print out a dollar. So you said ampersand yen, for example. Now maybe you want to print out a yen currency. Say ampersand yen. So maybe you want to print out which one again? Let us say euro. Maybe euro currency. You say EU. RO. I know it now. So let us say, for example, I want to print out okay, maybe put out a double quote, or you just have to just come here, ampersand Q OT quote. So which is this? So we are going to save this now and let us view this. So now this is it. So this is it. So we are using it now. We have and cent, pounds, yen, and euro. So we have a double quote. We have a double quote here. So what if, for example, now we want to print out copyright, like just like the way we did in our, if you see very well, we printed out copyright, something like this. I know it now. So we want to print it out something like copyright. It's art, which is ampersand copy. This is how you print out your copyright here and there. Just like maybe if someone want to print out trademark, so you can really just see ampersand reg. And it's an ampersand reg. So you save this. Then we're going to view this. So I know it now. We have this as a trademark. So all these are example of HTML entities. That's what we're going to put now. But HTML entities, you can also put that HTML entities using numbers. Using numbers. For example, now let us say you want to print that this less than sign in number. Less than sign number. Now using a number to print that less than sign. First of all you just have to do, the ampersand must be written first. Ampersand. Then say hash. Then let us say less than, one put a less than sign 60. So you save this. Then you come here and use it now. So printed that a number, but basically I use in a words format. I use in a words format, or I use the entity name, call it entity name. There's only entity name and entity number. So I use entity name such as less than, I just variable which is LT for less than. So all these are examples of HTML entities. Now let us move on to HTML symbols. Now symbols that are not present on your computer keyboard, there are some symbols that are not present on your computer keyboard. Now how can you print them out? For example, now if you go to a website and you want to print it, you want to write out euro, just like the way we printed out this euro is not on your keyboard, but use the HTML entity to print it out. So now how do you do that? Now for example, now maybe you want to print something like gamma alpha theta, you have gamma alpha theta, you have the let us say love this thing, or let us say a heart. Want to put a heart symbol here and then. So how do you do that? Now for example, now let us put some symbols. So now what I'm going to do is that, let me say P HTML symbols. Now remember that what I say about HTML symbols, there are some symbols that are not present in your computer keyboard. So how do you do that? You press your ampersand. Let us say for all, you have the for all symbol. Now let us say ampersand. Let us put a lot of symbols. Say parts. I'm going to show you. Now let us say we want to put symbols that are not present in the computer keyboard. So let us say for example, we present something like empty and empty. So you just say empty, which is this. So let us say you want to put out something like what thing again? Let us see a nabla sign. So I just have to see NA. I know it now have nabla. Now let us put out more symbols. I want to put out something like alpha. So all you that is just say ampersand A say A LP. I know it now have alpha, which is this. So let us say for example I want to put out something like gamma ray. So ampersand GA say gamma. So you say ampersand. So we want to print out something like data ray. So say something like data. I know it now. So we want to print out something like we're going to showcase all this stuff in our browser. Now let's for example want to put something like a heart symbol. We have printed a euro here and then, so let us present like a heart or a speed. So you just have to say ampersand speed. We have a lot of symbols that are not, these are not present in the computer keyboard. That's why it is called computer HTML symbols. They are not present in computer 16. So let us say your computer keyboard, sorry. So let us say something like a club. Something like clubs. So I know it now. So let us print one more, just one more. So we have alpha, okay, we have beta now, and we have alpha, gamma, delta. So now let us say, I think do we have beta? Okay, we have beta. So which is this? So let us print just one more. So let us print it like heart. Now how do you do that? Say or ampersand heart, something like heart. So let us show this. So you are going to see them with your eyes and using them. So all these are what we call, I know you have alpha, beta, delta here and then. All these are not present in your computer keyboard, so you use the HTML symbols or use the entity method to print them out. So these are, they have been printed. You know, when you go to a website, you will say, how are these things printed out in the website? How do they put this stuff in your website whereby they are not in my computer keyboard? That you use the HTML symbol method or the HTML entities methods. You use the ampersand, then the entity name. Okay, so now let us move on to HTML emojis. You know, in just like in a WhatsApp, when you create emojis in a WhatsApp here and there, when you send an emoji to somebody else, you use an HTML emojis method to create it. Now, how do you do that? All you have to do is just to come here. Now let us say p tag HTML emojis. So come here. So how do you do that? Now, to create an HTML emojis, first of all you just have to do HTML emojis. Now, when I mean HTML emojis, now to do an HTML page correctly, the web browser must know the character set. Yes, the character set is UTF-8, which is this. This is UTF-8. This is UTF-8, which is this. You have which is the character set, which is UTF-8, which is this. So is present. So now we are going to print out some emojis, just like a laughing emoji, smile, love here and then. How do you do that? To print that out, we use the number method to print it out. So now I want to say ampersand hash. Now first of all, you say ampersand, so we are going to say ampersand hash. Now you say 12, get my point, 1285 8507. Now let us save this. Just watch. Okay, I know seeing this emoji here. We have this emoji here, so but I'm going to print a lot of them. So I just have to do just to copy this to avoid wasting time. I will copy this and come here and paste Ctrl V, change it to 8. Okay, Ctrl V, I change it to 9. Ctrl V, I change it to 10. So we're going to print it out to 15 or 20. Ctrl V, I change it to 11. Ctrl V, I change it to 12. Ctrl V, I change it to 15, 13. Ctrl V, I change it to 14. Ctrl V, change it to 15. Ctrl V. Okay, let us end in 16. So I'm going to save this. You can do it up to 25 and put 30 save. So which is designers in them. All these are called, these are the emojis that have been printed out. Just like you want to create chatting app, you use this to print all these emojis in the keyboard here and then. So they are done using this method, which is called HTML emojis. Like just like one we have, you can do it up to 15, 16, 17, or even up to 27. These are done using the HTML emojis. I believe that this is clear already. So now let me do something. There's what we call the method. Now when I mean method, it means directly you can directly send a message from the website. You can directly send a message directly from the website through the email. Now how do you do that? All we have to do is to use the link tag. When user automatically click the link, they definitely can send a message to the company or to somebody else, or let me say the customer care here and there. So all we just have to do is just to come here. So let me say p HTML mail to. So HTML mail to. So now I'm going to use the p tag. Let us say contact. Click the link. Click this link. This. Okay, now all I will do now is that I'm going to print it out where the user is going to click. Remember, where the user will click is where you put the element. So I'm going to say click here. Now this is the link tag already. I don't gonna put now. So I'm going to invite a mail to. Now I'm going to invite a mail to. I'm going to use the mail to method to directly contact the user. So I will say something like mail to. Now it's sending the mail. You want to contact the company's mail. Now let me use my email. Donald. So the company mail is Donald Mandela 8 at gmail.com. So we use the method. So we say click this link, okay, to send an email to the company. So I will save this. I'm going to run this. So I will click here. Just watch what will happen. I notice it now. Take me straight directly to the mail, and it will take me directly straight to my email. So let me use this. This is my email. So if I want to send an email now, it will directly show. I know it now. This is it. I know it. So we have an email here, which is the email that I specified. Even if, for example, I change it to something like let me remove here. Let me see something like this, Donald, or just only Donald. See, the email will also change. Then I come here and I click here. Just watch. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, just watch. I know it now. It changes directly. So these are done using the mail tool. For example, now if you don't want to use an email, you want to use phone number. It's very simple. Let me copy this. Copy. So I'm going to come here. Ctrl V. So I will say I will now change it to something like tel. Tel is a version of telephone, so I will say tel. So then I will change it to phone number. So I will say 08022886305. So I will save this, which is this, to contact or to call, to send or to call the company. So let's just leave this way. So I'm going to come here. Then I'm going to scroll down. So I know it now. So I'm going to click the link. So I know that the site is trying to open a pick an app, a call app. So basically, if you use your system, it is basically done. So basically, you can quickly phone link. You can basically place a call here and then to the users. Then we can point now to the company immediately. So it is be done using the tel method here and then. So this is the HTML we are talking about. So this is for the HTML basics, and our next tutorial I'm going to send how to create form, so that's user login and registration page. See you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you. I know it now. It is basically loading to basically place a call. So these are it is be done using the tel method. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.